Gelatin trick has been helping thousands of people start their day with a sense of ease and lightness. And it's amazing to see how such a simple daily habit can bring about a feeling of balance and steady energy. People who incorporate the gelatin trick into their morning routine often report feeling more joyful and experiencing digestive comfort throughout the day. The gelatin trick is a low-cost and easy-to-fit into your daily routine habit that uses basic ingredients from your kitchen or grocery store. By making the gelatin trick a part of your morning ritual, you can experience the benefits of feeling more balanced and productive. Consistency is key with the gelatin trick, and over time, you may find that it helps you feel lighter and more energized. The full step-by-step guide to the gelatin trick is linked in the description below. I also pinned it in the first comment so you don't miss it. Take a look while it's still available and see how the gelatin trick might help you feel more balanced.